what is the nature of the impact you make now as a facilitator? And how is it different?
Well, I think when I remember looking back at how I had learned nonviolent communication, how I was starting to offer nonviolent communication, how much when I attended courses with Mary, it became a more not just sitting in a circle having conversations. It's about doing activities, doing something that people can actually integrate the learning. I think that was for
Mm.
me, sequencing or cascading things so that people can build on was something I learned from Mary in
Mm.
Costa Rica by creating a plan for the content and which will facilitate the learning. That was useful because discussing something, having conversations back and forth, two in twos or threes is helpful, and doing experiential things was, I think, an essential component.